how to make a subscription on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a subscription on Shopify. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Shopify's website by typing shopify.com into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a bunch of options, but don't worry, we're only here to set up your subscription, so I'll walk you straight through it. Now, click on the login. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the select a plan option. This is the step where you actually subscribe to Shopify's services. Without choosing a plan, you won't be able to activate features like subscriptions for your products or services. After clicking on select a plan, scroll down and look for full list of features. This will give you a clear idea of what's included in each plan. Take a moment here, it's really useful to know exactly what you're getting so you're not missing out on any tools your store might need. This view helps you decide which plan fits your current business goals and budget. If you're just starting out, the basic plan might be enough. But if you're already seeing solid traffic or need advanced features, one of the higher tier plans could be the way to go. Once you've decided on the plan that makes the most sense for your store, go ahead and click on select. You'll be asked to confirm your choice and enter your payment info if you haven't already. At last, hit subscribe. After that, you're officially subscribed to a Shopify plan. And just like that, you're all set. You've now got access to all the features your chosen plan offers, including the ability to run a subscription-based business. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out my other Shopify tutorials for more tips and walkthroughs. See you in the next one.